Hello. So, today, we just got back from a long vacation and I've got a lot of packages. So 7 right now, and I used my birthday money. This is a lot. There's more on the way, so be prepared for multiple parts. So, for part 1, I'm going to be opening 2 packages. We're going to start with the smaller one. Alright.
Careful.
That could have been really bad. This knife didn't do much damage because it's not that sharp. Hi, Cooper. These boxes. Come on.
I think the sides are. Yeah, the sides are tied. Taped.
There we go. So, know exactly what this is. I'm going to go get something that goes right with it. So, this is the back box that goes with the Notifier LNG1R. You can see, because it's not that way. Okay. Screwed in, that'd be better, but. So it goes with this pull station. Yep. I just thought I'd get it because it looks good with it. So there. Discard pile. Now to the big box. This one's got multiple devices. What is this?
Oh, Lord, what, you get an engine?
It's a duct detector.
A what?
It's a duct detector. I don't really get the purpose for these, but now I have one.
It's got a bunch of connections. It's not a kind of panel?
No.
Interesting. Right, I have to figure out what to do with that.
Yeah. Only came 2 devices.
Well, that duct detector's a pretty big one.
Ooh.
Maybe that's why.
Oh. This is a
Move the
CN.
box.
Hold on.
But I can't,
UMHU MCS.
but I can't see it because the
I
box
know, I'm
is in
trying
the
to
way.
fix something. So it's like a different kind of
It's Siemens.
version of the UMMT. All right, that's cool. So that was part 1.